Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make text glow in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's have a look now. As you see, I have got my clip on my timeline, and now what am I gonna do is duplicate it by holding Alt. Click and drag into the video layer above. Now select the bottom layer and go for Effects and choose Gaussian blur. Then after go for Effect Panel Controls and increase the blurriness. As you see, we already have some glow here. If you want to change color, again go to the Effects panel and apply Tint effect. Select the color from here. Okay, that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.